Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the value of x from this given equation. Now, this equation can also be expressed as 27 to the power of 2 divided by into x plus 5 to the power of 2 equals x plus 5. Then here, note that this is over 1, and you are going to apply cross multiplication here, and this becomes 27 to the power of 2 equals into x plus 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by into x plus 5. Then we are going to simplify this further. We bring this down. 27 to the power of 2 equals, if you multiply this out, since the bases are the same, you can as well add the powers, and we have here into x plus 5, 2 plus 1, that gives us 3 here. Now, we can also express 27 in base 3, and you are going to have here 3 to the power of 3, that gives us 27, then to the power of already existing 2 equals into x plus 5 to the power of 3. Now you can as well interchange these powers from indices, and we have 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 3 equals into x plus 5 to the power of 3. Now, since the powers are the same, we are going to equate the bases. Therefore, we have here 3 to the power of 2 equals x plus 5. Now, 3 to the power of 2 will give us 9, and we have here 9 equals x plus 5. The next step now for us to collect like terms. And if we're going to have here that x equals 9 minus 5. Therefore, x equals 9 minus 5, that gives us 4. And this is the value of x. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.